Facebook Ads tutorial.
A Facebook Ads course is a valuable educational resource designed to teach individuals how to effectively use Facebook's advertising platform to promote products, services, or content.
In a world where digital marketing plays a pivotal role in business success, mastering Facebook ads has become essential. This course equips participants with the knowledge and skills necessary to create and manage successful advertising campaigns on the world's largest social media platform. The course typically covers a wide range of topics to ensure a comprehensive understanding of Facebook ads. Here are some key aspects that may be included. Introduction to Facebook ads. The course usually begins with an overview of Facebook's advertising ecosystem, its advantages, and how it fits into the digital marketing landscape. Setting up a business manager account. Students are guided on creating a business manager account, a central hub for managing ads, pages, and assets. It's a crucial step in effective campaign management. Ad campaign objectives. Understanding different campaign objectives, such as brand awareness, lead generation, and website traffic, is fundamental to crafting effective ad strategies. Audience targeting.
Students learn how to identify and target their ideal audience using demographics, interests, and behavior data.
This segment highlights the importance of precise targeting. Ad creatives. Crafting compelling ad creatives is a vital skill. Participants learn about ad formats, copywriting, and design principles to make ads visually appealing and engaging. Budgeting and bidding.
Understanding how to set budgets and bid strategies is crucial. This knowledge helps in managing campaign expenses effectively and maximizing ROI.
Ad placements. Exploring different ad placements, including the Facebook newsfeed, Instagram, audience network, and more, helps students choose the right platform for their campaigns. Ad scheduling. Learning when to run ads and optimizing for different time zones can significantly impact campaign performance. Ad testing and optimization. This module covers A/B testing, analyzing ad performance, and making data-driven decisions to improve campaigns. Measuring results. Students gain insights into Facebook ads metrics and reporting tools, allowing them to evaluate the success of their campaigns.
Compliance and policies. Understanding Facebook's advertising policies and ensuring ad compliance is essential to avoid penalties and account restrictions. Advanced topics. Some courses may delve into more advanced topics, like Facebook pixel, retargeting, custom audiences, and lookalike audiences for a deeper understanding of the platform's capabilities.